computer's going a bit crazy, but in this one, we're going to create a simple view with a button that does something. Here we go. So open idle and file new, and we'll call it UI button. Okay. So now what we need to use is we need to import a thing called tkinter. All right. And then our view, to create our view, it'll be like this, equals tkinter dot tk round brackets. And then this is where we're going to add our function that's going to be called by the button. So def button pressed will be it. Rounded brackets, colon, enter, and we'll just get it to print hello, okay? If I can spell it. Print hello. All right, there we go. And then we go tkinter dot, and we'll get a widget, which is the button widget. Add it to our view. Let's give the button some text. So that's going to equal, I'm going to say press me. And then the command is our definition, our function there, button pressed. And we pack it all together. And then view dot main loop to tie it off. All right, so let's try that out. I'm going to save it. It's my button, I'll call it. My button. Fingers crossed. There we go. Oh, there it is there. Press me. And there we go. It prints hello. Very simple, but quite fun.